That was a really short song. All right. Yeah, this is actually really cool. I'm using what is it, Restream? And like I'm pretty sure a lot of people know this by now, but Twitch just did a thing where partners can dual stream on YouTube if they stream on Twitch. I didn't know like there was an exclusivity type thing. Obviously, I'm not a partner. I'm not even an affiliate on Twitch, but it's the fact that like a lot of the streamers I did watch start doing it, and then they verbalize how they did it, and so now I'm doing it, and so this is great. Just give me a sec. Ooh. I always forget which ones of my Facebook groups I'm allowed to post my link in. Well, this is Twitch, so I can only stream on Twitch. And is this an ad? What the heck? What's this here? It's definitely just Twitch. This is gonna be confusing. Like, not that many people comment on my streams to begin with, but like having to look at both Twitch and YouTube, I don't know. It's my YouTube channel. Hmm. Oh my, okay. What are these groups? I'm really upset because I really wanted to like do a whole Spooktober thing, and like I'm just like barely at the end of Resident Evil 4. I'm so sad about it. Alright, that's about everything. I guess I'm just gonna leave the stream up in my. Yeah. Okay, how do I do things? Because that's important. I think I was setting this up yesterday. The only problems that I like came across when it came to one of the scenes that I was creating, and like a scene on OBS is just like a template or a template of windows and sometimes software that you want to be recorded or captured during a recording or stream, and for some reason I'm supposed to be stretched. What was I talking about? For some reason, when I tried to make the Unreal Engine work for when I stream it, for some reason it like the first time you open it, it's fine. It captures, you know, as it should. But then if you like minimize it or something like that, then like it gets all evity, skewerty, whatever. It messes up, and I don't like it. So I probably can't stream the Unreal Engine, which is the second homework I gotta do. All right. Now this, if I'll be honest, I have almost no clue what I'm trying to do here. What is it, alt? Yeah. Okay, so the general gist of this, for this assignment that I'm trying to do, is that I'm supposed to make an infographic on a particular statistic, right? And you know, an infographic is like showing stats, kind of like a pie chart, but in like a pretty way or a spectacular way. So what I wanted to do was use a Solid Snake and Samus. I know this is Chun-Li, but use Solid Snake and Samus. But I need to like do an outline of them. I think black should just be fine. Hold on. Can I invert this picture so it'll be easier to see? Nah, I don't really use what is this, Illustrator that much. Illustrator is really good. I just don't like it, especially because Photoshop is, I don't know, Photoshop is more intuitive. You can do more things, but what I need Illustrator for is what I need Illustrator for. I should probably like chill out a little bit. I'm just doing homework. It's a chill stream. No need to be entertaining. Is it image? Review? I'm just trying to invert the colors. Did not do what I wanted it to do. I guess it's not that necessary. If I really wanted to, I can just change to... Alright, yeah, sure. Is this white, right? No. Calm down. I need you to be white. It doesn't close, right? It shouldn't. And I was originally going to do this on my laptop, but I actually prefer... Didn't I just turn you white? Do I have to change this? Oh no, I just made it worse. Gosh darn it, I hate this. Oh, do I just close it like that and then... Oh, I could... Let me see. Yeah, it's F'd. There's a way to do that. Let me see. Is it this? No, it is this. I'm not trying to like make the whole thing curvy. Do I just go like that? But then... Wait, hold on. I think what I'm supposed to do is this, and then just click it. Yeah, okay. And then I need to, yeah, let me, I actually do need to invert this picture because I can't see. Wouldn't be file. Edit colors, hopefully that's it. It says it right there. It's because like, oh, I'm not even on the right layer. Or I shouldn't be drawn on this layer. Do I have to do it there? No. Do these things do the thing that I want it to do? No, definitely not that. Dang, I guess I'm just like out of luck, huh? I guess if I do it just outside of it, that'll be fine too. Yeah, sure. Right. Gonna make a new layer. I think that's fine. So it definitely doesn't need to be perfect. Does this one have a curve? It could. I think that's fine. I'm gonna have to move that later, but it's fine right now. It does not need to be like that. This is actually fine. What the heck is that screen? It's about right here. Okay. Yeah. Mm. And, this didn't help at all. Yeah, that's distinguishable. That's sad. Get out of here. It doesn't specifically look like Snake, but I think I'm not a Metal Gear fan. I don't know for sure, but I think this this pose is iconic enough for most people to know that it's him. Samus, on the other hand, I don't think about it. Could it just like, where is... Dude, yeah, I could have just did that. Oh my gosh. Actually, no, this isn't just chatting on Twitch. This is actually art. I need to change that. I don't find the category on YouTube. I don't use it that much to know what it would be. There we go. Now let's make sure you use the right layer. And appropriately name your layers too. Most people don't, but do it. This is a lot easier than I thought it was gonna be. That makes me happy. And can I fill this? What would I use to fill that? I don't think there is a fill tool. I hate... It's such a good software, but I hate it so much. It's like, technically what I could do, like, just if I click on it, I can actually put in a color. Yeah, I can just put in a color. And then with these, just fill those too. Wouldn't that like make it ugly? Actually, now I think about it. Yeah, I'll just worry about that later. Yeah, I'll just worry about that later. What I was gonna say is, the infograph, or at least the silhouettes, are actually gonna be black. But I was gonna change the colors later just because it's easier to see. as it is now. What's I doing? It's in color. Okay. Oh, so that's Solid Snake, and I can do the details later. Go ahead and save it. And then Chun-Li. I wonder, like, most artists, every single artist that I've seen, like, on Twitch or streaming, it doesn't necessarily bother them, but, like, I guess what I'm trying to ask is, like, the first time around, does it not feel weird? It's just tracing people's silhouettes? Maybe I'm thinking too much about it. Okay, yeah. She's right here. Oh, it's not one-to-one. I didn't put it there yet. Okay. I guess right here would be fine. That's like that one song, like I'll count on you like 4, 6, 2. Maybe that's just me. Then follow. Right here. Then I'll follow this. Thank you, Illustrator. It's definitely appreciated of you. Actually, yeah, I would follow this. I don't know, it's just a little weird. I guess this will just be following the arm. And maybe just the top half? And I should have thought this through. I think it's fine for what it is. Yeah, don't worry about it. So, if this is the top half of her... Yeah, because that would make sense. Yeah, okay. Just finish the top half of her. Then make another silhouette with the bottom half. Go ahead and save it. Then next far skinnier. I can't make it bigger because this is actually made to scale. Let me see that again, or see her again. Actually, yeah, that's about right. Actually, I just messed up right here. I'll just edit that. The body types are definitely different. Oh no, it's only sitting down. It'll be about... That feels right. At least I think so. The heck? Oh. Why can't you just move the end of it? Thank you. Actually, I really like Samus. I haven't played that many games with her, but it's just like out of respect for the character. I really love Samus. Gotta make sure I get that bang in. Like, it's actually very iconic. How did it do that? Should probably make the head. So I guess I should separate the body, the head, and the legs. Let me finish this out first. Or can I? Can I? You know, I could just be bougie. Like, just have it overlaid on top of her. And then later, if I actually am able to put in the whatchamacallit, the fur on the jacket. And I'll just use that to hide the little thing right here. Alright, so that's the top half. Then I need to go back to Chun-Li. Okay, so it does separate the path. At least I would think so, right? Yeah, it does. Okay, sick. So I guess I could do this path here then. And for something like this, I actually could have streamed on Facebook also. Is that her jacket? Or... I'm actually legitimately trying to figure out where her butt ends and etc. It makes sense if it's like right here. Yeah, sure, that works. An extra leg. I guess it's fine. I really love Chun-Li's design in Street Fighter 6. Does that work now? It makes sense once you get used to it. But I really just like how when you do that little curve thing that I just did, you have to put it where, like in the middle of where you want it to actually be, instead of at the end. I guess it's like one of those like part of the craft type logices, whatever. Because you know, like once you start coding and stuff, you start from 0 instead of 1. You know, it makes sense if you code, but if you don't code, it's like what? Okay, I'm almost finished. Or at least with this half. Alright, and then her second leg. And now I think I actually gotta make the curve in too, or like give the detail to the leg. That's annoying. Oh. I mean, it's just a line. Yeah, I can just make it a whole separate thing too. There you go, Chun-Li. The only thing that I don't like about this idea that I'm doing is like there's no official artwork with Samus in this pose. And so like it's literally hit or miss if like people can recognize her just from the silhouette. And then I gotta figure out what details I'm added to Snake. I guess I don't need that much. Because honestly, even if I just keep the silhouettes, it'll still be fine without like adding any detail to it. What does this look like? Well, this looks weird without her second leg. What does Samus shoes look like? Those aren't Samus's shoes. Do I have like official artwork of it? Hold on, let me actually look that up. Oh, they're just heels. Okay, that's fine then. Yeah, I don't think I actually need the rocket boot heel, the rocket boot heels from Smash Brothers. Kind of feel like what I should have done is just like do the entire outline of the whole body and then add in detail like I was gonna do with Snake. But you know, I already made my bet. How would I add in detail for her suit? I could, because I don't know how to help people draw in Illustrator. It is so counterintuitive or unintuitive. So I'm probably just gonna make the outlines, do a chroma key, and then do it in Photoshop instead. Yeah, that sounds like the play. Oh, I'm in a completely incorrect layer. Good thing I caught that. Shit. But that's not the end of it. It's right here. I'm gonna have to edit that with the white arrow. It is so hard to see with the shadow. I think it's actually right here. Did it trick me again? It did. Chun-Li got nice calves, but Samus calves ain't that big. I think it's okay to follow the suitcase, even if it's gonna look weird. Alright, good job, you did it. Woohoo, yay. It's definitely going to look weird without Chun-Li there. That's not that bad. I'm gonna have to actually see it, which is a little unfortunate. Probably be better off if I like edit Samus's hand to where like it's on the side of her instead of on her knees, because like Samus isn't ladylike, but that's a little too ladylike for what I know of Samus. I don't know, she just seems like a casual badass. I go Redley again? Alright. Here we go. Walks away from explosion. Let me see what I can do. I'm back at Snake. Where is he? Okay. This is not Snake. Oh, that's a different Snake. This Snake that I need to look at to study. Because I have no idea how to like actually add in the detail. Oh, that's useless. Looks like he just has a lot of packs, like utility pouches. I don't know how to like draw that. I don't even know where to start with that. Alright. It'd probably be easier if I reflect it to follow it. Oh. Out of here. Alright, what I was going to do. So I'm practicing art on Photoshop, right? But Photoshop is like an automatic screen on here. And like, I've drawn some like outlines of like, you know, bodies. And just to be safe, I'm just gonna assume it's not safe for work. So give me 1 second. That's the assignment page. Here's Lovey Girl. There we go. I think all I gotta do for Snake is actually just draw the eye patch. I think enough people know him from that. Do I just have that file somewhere? Okay, sick. I do have it. Oops. Okay, I got it. Yeah, I edited this in, oops, I edited that in Photoshop. But it is the stats that I'm using. It'd probably help if they're just out. It's a male, so. Where do I put this? I need to write this down. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Divide this up into 6 different. It's definitely a challenge. But at the same time, don't necessarily think I actually have to like be that coherent with it. If I just add enough details to where I can put in those or to visualize those statistics later, I think it'll be fine enough. But then again, how? Can I even do that? Kinda doubt it. Yeah, I don't got the technical prowess for that. Or maybe I do. Wait. Okay. That's at 1 point, don't lie to me. Is that not 1 point? It looks like I can't use the brush. What the heck? I want you to make a new line. Can I just move these? No, I cannot. Okay. Yay? 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 This is a good thing about Illustrator. You can just change the size of a stroke. Like, that's just crazy. Oh, it was changing this. That's why the other brush didn't work. Why? You know, because it's details. Put it 75. 0.75. Oh, it's actually still too dark. That should be fine. Yeah. Yeah, I'll keep it. Okay. It doesn't have to be 1-to-1, it's just like good enough to express the idea I'm going for. Like, if I add in too much detail anyway, then it's not going to, it loses its simplicity. And that's not something you want. Well, not for this. Could make the eye patch. Need to look up a picture of Big Boss. I'm pretty sure that's Big Boss. Trying to figure out what that jacket is. It's like a utility jacket. What has utility? What's on the side? Now I think about it, he has a poncho in this picture. I could just give him a poncho. Let me see. That's not a bad idea. It's definitely cheating, but I don't care. Yeah, let me look at the mechanics of this poncho. It slings from the top of his left shoulder all the way. It doesn't seem that hard to replicate. If I just move these real quick. How would I do this? No alt. Is it crit control shit? Is it it's a button I could press to only like move one of them. Okay, the poncho will actually be lower. Let me see. It will be here. So I can follow this right here. Let me see. And then I can just be cheap and like add in some lines for like ruffles and stuff. Like these are flat, not flat colors. It's not even flat colors, but I don't have to add like do any rendering or anything. Oops. I want to like make. I'm pretty sure I can just like delete this too while I'm at it. Yeah. What the? Dang, I actually have to edit the poncho in a way where it makes sense for his hand to come out like that. No, I don't. I got that, but how would this go? Based on my perception of human anatomy, perception is terrible. It's not terrible, it's getting better. I think that works. Actually make it lower. We'll be covering his arm too. Gosh. And this arm thing. Alright, now watch this, right? Watch this, right? Ooh. 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 Boom. Hold on, let me see if this actually works. The whole comparison right there. Up here. And to delete the whole thing. Just follow this. Actually starts from... yeah. I definitely need to add detail on that. Oh, what's this? Oh, that's just like a weird curve. Yeah, okay. And that is a curve, actually. This is way smaller. Does it look right? Yeah. I'm gonna have to say no. Fortunately. Let's see, one thing that I could. One thing that would actually work is to mess with the poncho, which I could do. In which case it means I should make this. Oops. In which case it means I should make this longer. I don't like this already. Definitely taking a lot of liberties. I just hope it works out in the end. What about that as a draft? Better. No, it just runs into the problem of like needing to add detail into it. But like I said earlier, if I add too much detail, it's gonna just ruin it altogether. Now, considering this poncho exists, how do I combine? Is it shift? Okay. Can I just delete this? Nope. Yeah, it'll work out. I ain't worried about it. None of this, I don't think needs to exist. Because if the poncho's over them, or if it's being hit by the poncho. Yeah, and then this would actually be behind the arm. So wouldn't that mean... No. What did I just do? Well, I don't know, but I'm going back. Minimalism is so difficult to do, at least when I don't know how to art. Because I only need to make like 6 separate colors. Backside of the poncho. Oh, actually make that prettier. What? Oh my gosh. Sure. To this problem. I think it'll be fun if I just do this. Yeah. No. This hip's too far out. Better. Sick. Weren't you two grouped or something? Whatever. You know, I could just have like, what was it? 63, 16, 7, 7, 4, 2. This could easily be 63%. It would be just a little bit over half. The 2% can definitely just be the eye patch. Let me do that now, actually. I'm gonna go about doing that. I think it would be better if I don't make it like a full object. Well, besides the like little thingamajig. Let me see. I think all I gotta do is there'd be something around, somewhere around there. What the? does it do that? Can it just connect you? Sure. We did it. That's how eye patches work, right? No, hold on. Wait. Still a perfectionist, unfortunately. Let's see. I'm gonna have to make both of these thicker later. And keep this set. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Come on. Gosh darn it. Just group them together. I think that works. It's hard to see though. Ah, that's a predicament. Literally, unless I add in detail myself. That's not so bad. I think if I give them like, or give him like a shadow, Or like hard shadows like in comic books like this. I can like make that act as a color too. Or act as a statistic. This should be easy. Does this look weird? Hopefully not. Surely not. I need to make them thinner. Or I probably don't have to because I'm gonna fill them in later. Yeah, that's fine. Yeah, that's fine. Ooh. What finger would that be? It's so hard to freaking see. I think it would look something like... Yeah. I need to make sure everything has like round corners. Come here. Oh crap. Control Shift Z, because sometimes it's just Control Y. Other times it's Control Shift Z. So that can be the 2%. The eye patch is 4%. I can make this entire body the 63%, and then the poncho the 16%. So now I just need the 17%. Which could work. I don't know, because it's not exactly one-to-one, but I don't... An infographic isn't really supposed to do P necessarily. Like, it doesn't have to be one-to-one completely with the data. It's just supposed to be like a spectacle of the visual. Alright, how about that? And then everything I don't use, I would just make black or something like that. No, I guess I could like finish off the collar. Where'd that... Snake, where's your face? Bro. Like seriously, like help me out. Here-ish? Yeah. I'll just edit that later, hold on. I'm really not trying to like put my art skills on display right now. Yeah, hold on. All right, I'll use a reference. I'll learn my lesson. What do I have? For little ponytail, but I didn't really do correctly. Whatever. Oh, that would look ugly. Probably just went too far. Yeah. You. I need you. Come on. Why did it do that? I'm working hard here. It was like slightly bigger. If I put it about right here. Really help. Kinda does. We need to add an extra detail. Like the lips, which isn't that big of a deal. I don't know why, but this song reminds me of Twilight Princess. Maybe they like sampled one of the songs, like probably the Forbidden Woods. Yeah. Yeah. And that works. I feel like it'll come out when I add in like shadows and stuff. I'm not mad at this. Now that was a picture of Big Boss. Yeah, we could just line the utility pouches with this waist. How would I do the utility pouches? I'm not gonna use this. I should probably follow this. Yeah. And then like reverse it. What the? This looks a little goofy. Do I care? Kinda. Try 75. Yeah. I might actually have to go with the original. Yeah, looks like it. Yeah. Where will this go? Actually, I probably shouldn't delete it. Just go over there or something. I'm pretty much satisfied with Snake. Actually, this actually shouldn't be filled. Yeah, there we go. It's something I'm going to do in Photoshop. So it looks like I would just need to make sure everything has a transparent background so I can edit it in Photoshop. But like, this is the bulk of the bulk of what I have to do for my assignment. And like Photoshop, it's just real simple. Like, you know, like just zoom in a lot, you know, get the little eraser, take this stuff out. Definitely can't do that in Illustrator. Illustrator expects you to know exactly what you wanted to make at the very beginning. And so that's why I'm just like using it to make the lines and stuff, because the line editing is phenomenal. Oh my gosh, it's so easy. But like everything else, that's when it gets annoying. Three. Oh. I think it has enough to like, it has enough for me to decide what I want to color in anyway. Even if I don't know what I want to color in now, I feel like it has enough for me to decide that later. I could take this out. There's no reason for this. Or is there? Yeah, that's fine. Go ahead, take that out. Whoops. Yeah, sure. Yeah, alright, whatever. You got it. What the heck I'm gonna do with Samus? Because I told myself I'm gonna do all the complicated stuff in it. Why is it green? Okay, never mind, that makes sense. Do all the complicated stuff in Photoshop. I can just go ahead and do this now. Or do it like this now. You know, I'm cool with I'm completely off topic. I'm cool with whatever. I'm cool with streaming on Twitch and YouTube simultaneously from here on out. But like, this song's repeated. But like, it's gonna really suck that I actually have to pay attention to like what is and isn't copyrighted music. So I'm probably gonna exclusively be listening to Lofi Girl, which sucks. I mean, there's nothing wrong with Lofi Girl. Lofi Girl's great. Like, it sucks because I just play my Spotify music indiscriminately because Twitch cares, but it doesn't care that much. YouTube cares. YouTube cares. Like a very strict parent. Very strict parent. Tabs, hello. Hello. I'm glad you stopped by. I really appreciate it. Did you stream today? How are you doing? It's fine. They really gave Chun-Li dimensions in Street Fighter 6, you know? Like, she's always had it, but it's so apparent in 6. Yeah, that'll do. What's up? Oh right, I changed that earlier. Or I joined them earlier. Yeah, I think I'm just gonna have to be okay with it. Speaking of which, make you a little bit higher. Gosh darn it, you know how long I spent to like try to get everything to that? Cause it, in terms of the height, Snake is supposed to be like 80% tall-ish. Not tall, but like in comparison to her. But if I actually were to do that, she would be like right here if that was the case. like where her shoulder is, but that's doing too much. Restream is so convenient though. Oh, whoops. Let's just delete this now, think about it. It's connected to a lot of stuff. Yeah, no, I can't delete it. Samus. Problem is I would have no idea how to like even begin with her hands. But has it ever stopped me before? Alright, I moved her out. Made her thinner. Pretty sure I can like do some shenanigans. Because if I grab you and then all the way to you, can't I just like nope. Yeah, I need... Unfortunately, I can't move it all at once. I'd have to separate it, I think. Can I do that? I guess I could, like... Okay. That is what I'm gonna do, though. But I have to pick all of them individually, which sucks. Alright, hold on. Remember, Control actually did something different to what I expected it. No. Okay. Okay. Actually, I would just... Yeah. I'll get that. Really could just like do it myself. I am. Yeah, this isn't so bad. I can just edit that. That seems about right. Yeah. Be the other end of the elbow. I've seen people do things. I know what an arm looks like, out of context. Alright, sweetheart. You're making this difficult. Why is that so animated? Now think about it, she's gonna be wearing a coat. So I'm taking liberties with Snake. Makes no sense why I wouldn't take liberties for her. Oops. Oh, should I be getting this? Oh my gosh. These. Be something like this. No, it looks ugly. That's not the point though. Wait. I could just copy that. Yeah, I'm tripping. Looks like I would only have to do very outline of her hand. Just a little bit longer to get the whatchamacallit finger, the middle finger. Should be something like that. It's a very big hand. Because of the perspective would actually be something close to. Yeah, it should be something like this. At least I would hope. How does that look? Maybe if I did the other arm it would help. Yeah, that's its own thing. I could put her helmet right there. Yeah, that would actually help a lot. Good job, Brian. So that's the case. Oh gosh. Whatever. I'll add it in later. Should be like a little 10 or something. We are human sometimes. So the hand's definitely way too small. Okay. Isn't isolated? That's dumb. That's how it's gonna put on her helmet. So I actually don't need to change the size then. Maybe I could like... I can just come back to this later. Just look up a picture of Samus with her helmet, or a picture of Samus's helmet, and like the angle I want it to be in. I really don't like the hand though, the way it is. It's very ugly. It's very annoying. Just give her like mittens for the time being. She got it. Yeah, she got it. Good for now. Where is it? Hold on. I should at least get the perspective down. Because like the hand or the arm, the forearm should be longer. And then this would like... Yeah, and then the hand would collapse within itself. To simulate death. Death? Yeah, death. Yeah, that's much better. Alright. What I would then do, instead of having her hand completely go into her knee, instead... I really wish you could like move groups of them at once. Look at that. You know how nightmare fuel this is? It's terrible. Because like if I was able to just rotate it, it would be completely fine. Or technically, that's what I did last time. Hold on. Come. I think I'm okay with this. I'll just spin this down. Oh, that sucks. Should follow along what I think the helmet's gonna be. I guess I could actually follow her hand again. Be like this is. I don't mind that. That feels right. And actually bend down a bit more, I would assume. Oh, that's about right. Like that, I think. I actually didn't need the other one to do that. think that works. It's a little weird. It's a little weird, but I think that's it. I'm gonna have to like check for it later. Oh yeah, I definitely like it. The eyes are so big. I guess most people aren't going to complain though, which I guess is my teacher. I think what I want to do is raise this one? Yeah, raise this. This goes, yeah it does. I just wanted the butt to be level. I promise you this is for science. Yeah, it is, okay. Oh gosh darn it. Yeah, the sandwich is gonna have to be thick. I don't feel like doing all that. I'm gonna have to make the controller later. Or the controller later, which is what they're gonna be standing and sitting on. How am I going to do the fur coat? Or the fur collar? It shouldn't be that difficult, but yeah. It's a little daunting to think about. What stats did she have when I think about it? This one? Then I'm gonna have to rethink of the title. Oh gosh. I think I'm done with this. I'm not done, but I'm done doing it. What else is on my to-do list? LinkedIn. No new anime out right now. New anime episodes. Alright, I did a good chunk of work for that assignment. It's due at 9 o'clock on Tuesday, or 9 a.m. on Tuesday. I really need to get Unreal done because it's my worst engine. I'm not the best at it. So it's probably going to take me longer than intended if I get started on it, but I can't record it or I can't stream it. So I'm probably going to do that later tonight. Just off stream and stuff. What else? LinkedIn. Make a professional photo, professional headline, professional summary, educational information, work experience. Minimum of 5 professional skills. I'm going to want to real quick. My profile picture is really ugly, but I don't care enough about LinkedIn, or I guess I didn't care enough about LinkedIn to like actually like touch it up. Where am I? Might be showing some things that should not be shown. But just in case one of those things happen, I'm gonna have to like put the black out the screen. Technically, I'm on break. Hey, what's going on here? Yeah, I haven't the faintest idea of like how to navigate through LinkedIn. But I guess it's the point of this assignment. Where does this even? Oh, if you just be on my profile, I'm tripping. I'm gonna have to cross-reference with other people's LinkedIn's. What do I like? I would assume Toby Fox isn't on LinkedIn. Yeah, there's no reason for him to be on LinkedIn. Like, he's freaking Toby Fox. Oh, look up. Is he actually on LinkedIn? Nah. Undertale or Deltarune on LinkedIn. It shouldn't be, because I know he already like found his team. Yeah. Who else do I care about? Hidetaka Miyazaki. I would doubt he would have a LinkedIn. What's the Fallout guy's name? Todd Howard. Todd Howard actually has a LinkedIn. Why does he use that same trolling picture? I guess it's iconic, but still. Doesn't really help me at all. And education. Okay, let me just bullet list this crap. Professional photo, which is what I'm gonna try to do either tomorrow at the soonest, Tuesday at the latest, because that's when it's due. I actually bought a couple of like photography equipment just to start on the gram, but I haven't had time to because of school. Professional photo, professional headline. I'm gonna ask ChatGPT. I've been using GPT a lot. Just because the way ChatGPT works is like, I mean, obviously don't rely on ChatGPT, but the way ChatGPT works is actually very, what's the word? It synergizes very well with my learning habits, and I would consider my learning habit, I would say referential, right? Like I need examples to learn specifically. And so, like, typically I would just go to ChatGPT, like, hey, ChatGPT, can you give me an example of this? Okay, can you give me another example of that? Okay, can you do it in this way? And then, like, I got it. Like, okay, I can do this on my own now. Because, you know, don't just get ChatGPT to do your stuff. ChatGPT is fun to chat with, too. Let me, like, ask real quick. I can actually show that on screen. I actually don't mind. I didn't even finish writing it. Yeah. Could you summary for on linked in profile. What the heck? Oh. So here's example of press headline summary. Headline: Experience navigating, design, crafting, immersive stories. That is terrible. This season narrative game design. That's not a summary. It's four paragraphs. Anyway, what is the headline? On LinkedIn, headline is a brief, concise statement located right before your name on your profile. As a professional tagline or summary of your current role, expertise, or career focus. LinkedIn headline should effective communicating. How do you make a strong first impression of those who visit your profile? If key points considered when creating a LinkedIn headline. Clarity, keywords, definitely keywords, conciseness, professionalism, customization. Value proposition. Okay, press photo headline summary. Professional skills. Follow a minimum of 3 professional groups. I'm pretty sure I already do. I follow a lot of gaming companies: Sony, Nintendo, Insomniac, Epic. Sucker Punch, I love Sucker Punch. Or I used to love Sucker Punch more, just because I love the Infamous series a lot. Or I love the original Infamous, now I think about it. Larian, CD Projekt, Supergiant, good old Supergiant Games. Game Maker, the gaming company. Yeah. I think that's covered. I gotta ask him, my professor. Follow 5 companies. Okay, so that's different. Definitely follow enough companies. What groups could I follow? Mhm. Needs an amber? Yeah, sure. Yeah, sure. What are these filters? That's all the filters you got? What the heck? Oh, it's pending? That sucks. Journey, sick. Pending. Developer in Japan. Can't join that one. I'll do 2 more pages. So I only have like 12 members. Which is crazy. Oh, 3K members. Okay. No, some people actually got 3 members. Wow. I guess the search system for LinkedIn kind of sucks then, huh? Alright, so that's pending professional groups. Okay, let's go. Connect with career services. I think I did. I'll do that later on Tuesday to make sure. Follow. Sure. Right, did that. And IUPY, okay. Did that. Connect with an alumni you'd be interested in chatting with further. Okay. That's a bonus. Make sure I write that down. Extra credit, submit your personal LinkedIn URL to Canvas. If you still have groups pending, submit your URL. Pending groups can chat. Canvas not allowed, submit your URL. What the heck? Okay, yeah, put it in the Word document. Alright, I got you. That's so weird. Alright, so that's 2 assignments that like got half completed, or like got the bulk of doing. That's really good. Am I still streaming? Yeah, always gotta make sure. Okay, so I guess yeah, I actually can just do oops. Whatever. Definitely got some games in my cart. It's Paranormal Site and Resident Evil 4 Separate Ways. I really want to finish that. I don't really feel like it right now. If I feel like it after doing this Unity crap, then sure. I hate Unity. I just hate Blueprint. Like, I look at it and it looks really simple, but because I don't know any of it, my brain just doesn't compute. I can do this one. I think this one will be the easiest to complete. Yeah. I can exit this. Pretty sure that's saved to the cloud. I didn't open this. No, not me. Open this. This run is really easy because all I gotta do is just change some numbers around. And then I gotta talk about the changes it made, or because like this assignment talks about the game feel of the game, and I talk about, or yeah, I try to talk about ludology a lot. So like stuff like this is really simple to express for me. I did not make this. It's my teacher did. But like the movement in the game isn't like, yeah, the movement isn't like instant, and it's the same when you let go of the key. And I was talking about how in the first part of my essay, or it's not really an essay, but in the first part of my Word doc, I said that like what did I say? Video games aren't fourth dimensional, so like it doesn't have any sense of touch, smell, or taste to it. Like all it has is just the visual and the audio, and it's through those two senses that you infer the touch. And he's talking about the game feel, so like yeah, same difference. It's very amazing how like stuff like that like happens. But yeah, so like the quicker something is to respond, the more intuitive it feels for as a game. But then if you have a little bit of drag, it adds weight to it. And I think in the how he has the setting set up right now, it's like kind of perfect between like feeling gamey or arcadey, and then having the weight of like trying to fly a spaceship. Near Automata, it was definitely too weighty. Outside of dodging though. Alright, now what the heck would this be? It's in the blueprint. It's in a blueprint somewhere. Can I just like click on that? What are you? Let's do it. Like, I have no idea how to navigate through this stuff. Heck is the player? It's so trippy. Why does it automatically take off the content drawer? I hate that. Petrified's out of date. Would you like something? No. Where is this? It wasn't that hard to find earlier. I hate somebody. I guess you can't rate on YouTube. This is somewhere. Oh no, it's in a video. Tripping. Could I get copyright struck if I like accidentally show the voice line or the audio for an ad? Footprints. Miscellaneous. Of course, it's a miscellaneous. I hate the particles. Let me see. Okay, what is this? Taking damage. Why is there so much? What's going on here? It's not labeled either, and that kind of scares me. Change ship color, that's nice. Fire projectiles. Momentum, I think it's momentum. Movement logic. What is this? Oh. I think that's just spawning it. You know, like what I was saying earlier, like it looks very simple and straightforward, and I'm pretty sure it is. But it's just the fact that I don't know what any of it. It's the fact that I don't know any of them, right? So like I said, my knowledge is referential. So if I do something in Python, like I don't know, I'm trying to like figure out what's a function of Python. When that comes to mind, but like if I want to do something in Python, like okay, what now I need to do it in C#. I would just go on Google, like, hey, this is the code that I know how to do in Python. How do I translate this code into C#? Like, oh, okay, so this is how you do it in Python, but this is how you do it in C#. Like, okay, thank you, because like coding is universal, right? And this is just completely different. Because like you need to know the specific functions of what you want to do to like get it to work, and that's where it like confuses me. Like the actual logic is whatever, but like just looking at this, it's very overwhelming. Where did he say to? Because I'm pretty sure it's just over here. Oh, did he add a thingy? That's troublesome. Let's say multiplication. What the heck? Yeah, no, I hate this. So did he just take out? Added it later. Kinda just talking to myself. Is that all he wanted us to do? At the completion, write a report on the effect of the changes include. Yeah, that's it. He just wanted to talk about game feel. Let's make a multiplication. It looks like. How do I do that? Give me that. No, not you. Give me that. It's so confusing. Whoops. This is as far as you can zoom. What the heck? So if I delete this, I can't like... I can't just press the delete button? Does backspace work? Do I have to delete this altogether? Yeah, sure. And then I can add the multiply thingy. If I do it like this, and then to the direction, let's just say 10. We're in the halibut. Do I just exit this? Kinda don't want to. Yep. Just do it. Oh, yeah, that's definitely different. Because the lag when you press the button, or the drag of it, it feels like dang near non-existent. Instead, what's this? Get move right. What the? It's so fast. Alright, that's enough. I don't feel like doing any more of this. Alright. I'm pretty sure I have an idea. What would be called 23 shmup. There we go. Wait, no. I already have that on. I accidentally exit out. What? It's in pink somewhere. Where are you? I hate this. Like, when I realized that I had to get a new capture card in order to record my Switch, I'm all like, okay, you know, that's not bad. Whatever. I'm not that upset about it. I probably should have upgraded like a while ago anyway. That's fine, right? The moment when I realized that like this is Windows 11's paint, I was like, okay, maybe I do want to go back to Windows 10. Like, that was the final straw. Otherwise, Windows 11 is like really good. It should literally just be this. Say that as part 2. Oh, alright then. Why did it? I hate this. I mean, like, you saw me put it down there, and yet you just simply refuse. Okay. Yeah, whatever, you guys are fine. Before in the field of the game, before my changes, seems like the perfect marriage of the two aspects of player input. It's super responsive, but there's a very slight drag that's just barely noticeable. It makes the ship actually feel like a massive object in space despite how quickly it can move. Finally, the bit of lag before fully stopping does simulate the idea of being in space. Not just emotion will stay in motion and other such Newtonian things. I think that's kind of Then why did I put a C in for a C to spell shmup? It's definitely not grammatically correct. Yeah, I guess I can like go back to this scene. I'm not doing anything right now. Yeah, have fun with that. My desktop usually isn't that cluttered. I haven't had time to like clean it. I actually do take the time to clean my desktop because it's not supposed to be that. It's not supposed to be cluttered like under any circumstance. Not if you work in like IT or any type of computers and stuff. You got to know how to organize. Anyway. Decided to increase or decrease. Pressing. To a degree. That decrease the downtime of pressing and releasing the case in a third degree. Ship. Ship hand. So, over. First and foremost, Arcadia word? It should be. Yeah.
Arcady.
That's not right. I'll just say reminiscent of arcades. Let's check. I'm gonna have to touch this up later. I don't think I should turn it in right now. Like after looking at it, after like taking a nap or something. So I can like pixels. Actually did finish this assignment though. Alright, now the other one, which I'm very dreading, or very much dreading to do. This zombie don't get on my ear. That's 3 assignments. Oh. Do I feel like doing this one? Or do I just want to do it tomorrow? Because like this is actually a lot more work for less points. And to the project's defense, like it's actually a series of assignments with less, yeah, a series of assignments compared to just a new one, but still. I would be better off actually just doing it in class or something. Would I be? Or about just try to like not do it? What am I supposed to do? Or is it character blueprint? It's probably like a miscellaneous. I don't think my professor made this one. That's the brain. And that's the object that just keeps score of the game. Oh my gosh. Is it you? I don't want to start the game. It's just gonna start playing that annoying music and I hate it. I hate it so much. Worst part about the song is that it's catchy. You can't be bad and catchy. Dang objects. Maybe I do want to do this later. I don't feel like playing Resident Evil though. What was that streaming? 3 hours? Let's get streaming time. Do I want to stream? Or do I want to stream longer? That's the main thing I need to consider. I am tired though, but what I'm gonna do? What would I do? It's not like I would play Splatoon. Oh my gosh. I love that game so much, but it disappoints me, so I haven't been playing it for a while. It's very unfortunate. You know, I'm happy that other people have been doing it too. And not in the sense that like, you know, boycott Nintendo, stop playing Splatoon. But more like it's just cathartic hearing other people say like, hey, yeah, the game's like very aggravating, I don't feel like playing it right now. Like, okay, cool, it's not just me, I'm not just a Grinch. Because I've been a heavy Grinch lately, and it makes me upset. Excuse me, I'm drinking orange juice. Ever since I like played Breath of the Wild for the first time, it was just downhill from there because I didn't like Breath of the Wild. I didn't like Metroid Dread. What other popular games? I definitely didn't like Elden Ring. As much as I really tried to love that game, as much as I tried to like that game, I did not like Elden Ring. It just made me feel like, dang, like, is it me? Am I the problem? Did I become a toxic player? I love Baldur's Gate though. Like, oh my god, this game's phenomenal. I wish I had like been playing it. I only played it. I haven't even finished my first playthrough. I'm still on Act 3. And that just reminds me, I gotta like edit the videos. Oh god. I haven't been able to edit the playthrough because, to be honest, like half of it, like legitimately half of the reason I haven't been uploading is because like, you know, Sony Vegas crashes a lot and that just deters me to do it. Like when I just do a whole bunch of work, just saving constantly, and it just crashes 3 times in a row in the span of 10 minutes. Like, all right, that's enough mental fatigue for one day. And then the other half was just like really busy with school. Like the past 2 weeks especially was just like, hey, group projects? No? Yes. Oh, okay. Group projects. But I'm finally free, hence me streaming. Still got obligations though. That sucks. Alright, what am I doing here? Finding the blueprints. There's a blueprint for... I guess that makes sense. Why did I think about that? It's one of those things that's like, it's really obvious if like... It's obvious, but like, it's not obvious until you think about it. Like, what? He has a blueprint for particle effects? Duh. Oh. I never thought about it. Props? It wouldn't be props. Definitely not materials. Is it third person? It is. Why were there two different blueprints? Whatever. Yeah, there you go. You guys can make sense of it. Because I definitely can't. Okay, so I have to make a mechanic. I have to make a mechanic and then use the mechanic for like a puzzle or something. Because this assignment talks about motivation. What the heck is this? Memory and learning. Like, get the players to like remember a specific pattern and then like teach them that pattern or so something along this line. But basically, create a mechanic, use it on a puzzle, essentially. What would this be? Adding a slide, a ground slide, and a ground pound to a character. Oh, link a button to press. I guess K, sure. Launch characters, simple ground pound. Where would this be at? What? No, that's a lot of work. I have no idea how to start. What are these words? But where did you set it up? It's just outside of the you didn't really put it anywhere. Oh yeah, sure. Alright, here? Sure. G, no, just B, no. Rest? And this is exactly what I mean. Cause like, all I want to do is just like, tell the games to like read the input of G. I guess we'll be here. Key event. Yeah, I think it's a key event. Yeah, but this is exactly what I mean. It's the fact that I don't know what anything does is why it's so difficult. And like, it's one of those programming / game development classes where they kind of just like throw you to the wolves. You know, like half the time, but especially so like beginner classes for game design and coding classes, they will walk you through it. Like, okay, this is how you code. This is how you make Hello World. Congratulations, you just wrote your you just wrote your first program. Pat yourself in the back. Here's an A. There you go. But then this class is like, do it. What? Excuse me? You see that? Yeah? It looks very complicated. It is. Do it. Hold on now, mister. 20% of your grade. Oh god. Is that all? Is there any extra credit? No. Alright, I guess I'll get to it. Give me a touch button. What does this mean? Touch button access. What is this? I guess I can just steal it. If it's somewhere else, I can just steal it. But no, it's a very specific thingamajig for the G key. So it has to be like somewhere simple. Is it just G at the very top? and G keyboard. So it's a keyboard event, or it's a keyboard. What the heck? Oh gosh, that's definitely not it. Cause like, you know, this is it, right? This is it. I'm just like, it's not that hard, right? You just do this. You just literally copy it. But like, I don't know the I don't know the keywords for it. It was just aggravating. I gotta just like look through all of this. He never goes over it in class. Like, he'll talk about it, but he wouldn't like go over it. Get key. Oh. I know for a fact there's an event somewhere for the space bar, which is jumping. Where are all those cluttered together? There's a sprint button? Action jump. Yeah, that must be like inherent to the code, or inherent to Unreal. Or jump is just a space bar. Oh, he even made it compatible with the gamepad. That's nice. That's cool. God. Inputs. G. Oh God. It's a keyboard event. Thank you. I don't. Alright, yeah, sure. I got it. Launch, yeah. Launch character. I think that's part of the jump event that he created. And I think he's just. I think he's gonna try to like. Oh my gosh. He's gonna try to like make the character jump in the opposite direction. If that makes sense. Or is this a custom event? It can't be. No, it's no bother taking so long to like find the character movement. Is that a custom event? I think all this does is just check if the character's moving, because there's another event. Yeah. Because character movement is a state that the player is in. And I'm pretty sure he just tied that to if the player... Gosh. Either the player presses something, or... the same thing but with longer steps. He has it like press. Once you press it, it creates a branch, character movement, turn value, condition. You know, this makes sense. I should like actually look at it and try to like explain it at least, so I can know that I understand it. Once you press the G key, it goes off into a branch, right? I guess like so it can do multiple things at once. But character movement, like I said, it's a state that the player becomes in once they move the movement key, which is WASD or a gamepad, and that's the condition. So if the character is moving and is falling at the same time, then that's when this becomes true, and so this is when it takes place. Right? Yeah. So it launches the character, but it's going to launch it in a different way compared to like how it does it with the jump key. Is there a find? Whatever. Can't find it. It's not that deep. Yeah, because I know what it does. But still, just being able to explain it. It shows a negative 900, which is, you know, what I was saying. Where it just makes them jump, but like in the opposite direction. Oh, I want to play it. I'm just gonna say that's ground pound. Ground pound works. And then a slide. And then it looks like he did the same thing. But like he did the same thing where he based the movement off the jump, which is something cuz that's something you should do in both game development and coding in general. Oops. Or like you would recycle logic essentially. You know, not all the time, but most of the time, or a good chunk of the time, you should recycle logic. And so it's the fact that like he already made the jumping mechanic. It's like, okay, well, I'm gonna slide now, but what if sliding, if not jumping horizontally, or something like that? And so he just like made the character jump, but like sideways. And likewise, the same logic that he used for jumping is the same logic he uses for the ground pound, which is increasing the velocity of a character, but in the opposite direction. So he goes straight down to the ground instead of like upwards towards the sky. And what's this? He said H. I didn't want this to be G. Why did I make it G? And it's at the very top, right? It's an input H. Capsule movement, whatever that is. Oh, component. No idea what that does. Yo, one of my favorite books. Light novel. One of my favorite light novels is finally getting another book on the first. I'm like very much anticipating it. Because like I've been holding off the latest book for a while just because I haven't been interested in reading it, but then once I got like finishing it, like, oh my god. Time to read the next one. This doesn't come out until the first, like, what? I guess I'll just read the new Percy Jackson instead. Percy Jackson got a new book, by the way. It's been rather pleasant. Like it's just about Percy trying to like get some letters of recommendation to get to go to college. It's very Rick Riordan, very Percy Jackson. But like legit, you know, not the dog on like the book, because like it's good, right? It's good in a it's good in a you visit your friend, but you guys don't do anything like crazy. You guys just hang out and you're like, this is nice. It's good in that type of way. But like it's definitely hard to follow up the ending that was Heroes of Olympus. So don't go reading it expecting it to top that. Same thing, give away vector. What the heck? Why is it different? I guess it doesn't matter. Or this doesn't matter. That's a multiplier if I ever seen one. And then launch character again. Self. I don't know why this is so hard to see. Ooh, so it's different in that. Come on. You got it. There you go, buddy. No? Get forward vector, target is scene component. Alright, what am I missing here? Let me see if like it's anywhere. Get forward vector. Get forward vector. Or are these different? Is there another one by chance? No, it looks like that's the one. It's definitely 0. It's not? How am I supposed to do that? Oh, it looks like I got the get actor forward vector the first time. Oh, no. Oh, it's the top one. Whoops. No. What is this? Stop, please. I guess that didn't matter. I'm not understanding how this is supposed to work. Not really. Is it just X? Can't be right. It has to be. It's a completely different assignment. I'm just gonna assume this is it. So it's H and G is what I'm using. Time to listen to this god awful music. Not you, Liver Girl, I'm sorry. Anyway. So I would have to do something to like let the game know. This is way too slow though. You can like increase the speed of it. Hold on. With an H. Oh, is that actually the sprint button? It is shift, okay. So like, where is it? Where am I? Thank you. So how would I create an event that lets the game know, like, in the same way that, like, my teacher created the event is falling? How do I do that, but for, say, is ground pounding or is sliding, you know? I think this will be better at 250 or 250, 100, 2500, excuse me. And then this 3000. 900 is way too slow. Okay. Alright, he did an event for being grounded. Alright, I guess that's built in. Where's the double jump? Would I like make a branch or something? I think I want to do something like this, because this is separate from, yeah, that's the jump input. So I would have like, I have to create a branch, right? Yeah, I would have to create a branch to, but what is this? Like, what event is this specifically? Jump counter, this function takes care of the 3 jump. No, that's definitely not it. At least I don't think so. Or is it? Do I make a custom event? I don't think so. Sometimes I just ask my professor when I get to class. Because I'm definitely used too many brain cells tonight. Now let me just see if that's how it should work. Guess I would check for grounded actually. No, it wouldn't be grounded enough for this. Let me try it out again. Definitely different from like a dash. Let's do that. I hate this song so much. You know, that's enough for me, at least for this. Do I want to stream Resident Evil? I can't just stream it. I can't stream it tomorrow. I got a lot of songs in it. Oh, hello. I'm sorry, Doritos. I don't know what you got here. TMPV. YTPMV. What is that? I don't understand your lingo. Oh, but thank you for dropping by on the stream. I didn't expect anyone to be on YouTube, though. Oh, am I still, like, in? No, I'm not. Okay. I love you, girl. I need you. Let me look through the code just a little longer. I'm not gonna play it, but let me just look through it. Let's see if I can try to figure it out. Or like, what am I supposed to be doing? What's strange is this, because... Yeah, because... No, maybe not so much. Oh, I think I get it. So instead of 2500 for that, let me just do 1000 and then 1000 on Y. Because the reason it was going in one direction because it only had X, the X value. So I'm pretty sure if I do it for X and Y, or is Y up? No, Z is up. Which is weird because Z is supposed to be forward and back, but whatever. I ain't tripping over it. I actually do think in video games, Z is up and down. But that's besides the point. I don't just have to use them. We made the player use them for a puzzle. I don't know how to do puzzles. Like, the only thing I can think of, which should be simple, is like for the ground pound. I would have an event that says, I don't know, is pounding or something, or like an event that lets the game know that my character is in a state of ground pounding. And then I would just make objects and then tie a blueprint to them that says like, hey, if the player is ground pounding, then, you know, destroy yourself. And it should just be that simple. But I don't know what to use. I don't know how to create a custom event. Let's see. Create event. Create event. Create event. Create event. Nope. Custom event. How would I have known? Custom event. Own date. And so is that how this works? So what is that what I would do? Create the custom event and then make a branch that goes into it? I don't know. That doesn't sound right. At least I wouldn't know. So would I have to like make a branch and then put that into a branch? What? How do I remove these darn? Be something like that. Oh, it's not working. Yeah, no, I'm completely at a loss. Yeah, unless I'm gonna ask my professor. We should have office hours tomorrow. Oh, you know, I'll just ask him. I streamed for almost 4 hours. Tell y'all what, if I feel like streaming Resident Evil 4 later, I'll just stream Resident Evil 4 later. Probably not tomorrow, but like maybe later tonight if I do feel like it. Oh. I also need to like make a new playlist for non-copyright songs for YouTube. Yeah, I'll do that. Alrighty, thank you guys for hold on. Thank you guys for watching the stream, the VOD, however you stumbled upon this source of media. To each their own, but it's time for me to bid you adieu, farewell, sayonara, hasta la vista, hasta luego, arrivederci, all of you guys. And I hope you guys have a safe night, a lovely night, a calm night, a soothing night, maybe a chaotic night if that's what you're really into, you know, a sensual night maybe. I don't know nothing about that, but I'll see you guys next time, and as usual, peace.